Right, taking a knee what that plane was, I've just seen. Obviously, as you can tell, that was the Piper PA-28-140 that was. Well, not 140, 180 that was. So as you can see, that was the Piper PA-28-180 that was. This is the one that's operated by Perranporth Flying Club. This is the one that's operated by Perranporth Flying Club. As you can see, that registration is G-CDEO, that's the registration for that one. It was just G-CDEO by the looks of it. But as you can see, roughly from here, this is where I first missed it though. It was literally, obviously I missed the start of this was coming anyway, as this was at 1125 feet to start with. So I've just missed the first part of it coming though. That's for some reason I've just missed the part of it coming though. So as you can see from here, it's just literally done a big loop just over towards the Lizard NNR by the looks of it. So yeah, it's just literally just been out on the coast, just by the looks of it, over on the south coast of Lizard by the looks of it. Then passed over towards St. Kevin. And as you can see from the back, well, from the way back, as we just saw a second pass, this is when he was at just under 12,000 feet, just over 12,000 feet from here. As you can see, then it just turned anyway as he was, and then he came here, just dropped at 10,000 feet, and then dropped just at 950 feet, and then it just dropped at 900 feet from here, passed over Cornwall ADOB National Trust. So as you can see, this is where it took off from. It's based at Perranporth Airfield. Just took off at 12, just literally took off just before 12:05 at his local base at Perranporth Airfield. This is where it's just taken off from his local base at Perranporth Airfield from here. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.